Screen protector for iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, 6 Plus, 5.5-inch 3-pack 2.5D edge tempered glass compatible with iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, 6 Plus anti-scratch case friendly. Works for iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, 6 Plus, 5.5-inch screen only. Not for iPhone 8 and 7 4.7-inch displays. 0.33mm tempered glass screen protector. Featuring maximum protection from scratches, scrapes and bumps. Specialty: due to the rounded design of the iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 6s Plus, 6 Plus, and to enhance compatibility with most cases, the tempered glass does not cover the entire screen. HD Ultra Clear rounded glass for iPhone 8 Plus, 7 Plus, 5.5-inch screen is 99.99% touchscreen accurate. 99.99% high-definition clear hydrophobic and oleophobic screen coating protects against sweat and oil residue from fingerprints. It is 100% brand new precise laser cut tempered glass, no front camera cutout, exquisitely polished 2.5D rounded edges. 12-month warranty. Online video installation instruction. Go to YouTube tutorial by searching keywords Ailun iPhone 8 7th 6s 6 Plus screen protector installation instruction. Easiest installation: removing dust and aligning it properly before actual installation. No worrying about bubbles. Enjoy your screen as if it wasn't there. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.